Hello everyone, welcome to the first ever episode of the History of Everything. In this series, we explore how things came to be, how they evolved through time, and the people who made it all possible. Today, we'll be talking about civil engineering, the oldest branch of engineering. Civil engineering has existed since the dawn of human civilization, beginning with basic shelters and simple structures for survival. Early civil engineering began around 4000 to 2000 BC in ancient Egypt and Mesopotamia, where humans transitioned from nomadic to settled lives, requiring shelter and infrastructure. Notable early achievements include the construction of the Egyptian pyramids, with Imhotep recognized as the first engineer for his work on the stepped pyramid. Modern civil engineering, as a distinct discipline, began in the early 18th century with the formation of the bridge and highway corps in France in 1716, which later led to the creation of the École Nationale des Ponts (ET) in 1747. The rise of scientific principles, replacing rule-of-thumb methods, and the establishment of educational institutions like the École and the Bow Academy advanced the field. The first man to call himself a civil engineer, John Smeaton, played a key role in this development, particularly with his design of the Eddystone Lighthouse. A pivotal moment came in 1880 when a group of young engineers founded the Institution of Civil Engineers in Britain, inviting Thomas Telford as its first president. This laid the foundation for formal engineering, education, and the rise of engineering societies globally. By the mid-19th century, universities began offering civil engineering programs, and the field grew rapidly worldwide. Best part, the formation of the Institution of Civil Engineers in 1880, which marked a major milestone in formalizing civil engineering, education, and practice, leading to the global expansion of the field, from ancient rice terraces to towering skyscrapers. The history of civil engineering in the Philippines is a story of innovation, resilience, and progress. In this video, we'll take you through the key milestones in the development of civil engineering in the Philippines, from pre-colonial times to the modern era. Let's begin with the early days. Long before the arrival of foreign colonizers, the Filipinos were already masters of their environment. They built impressive irrigation systems, intricate rice terraces, and even entire villages with sophisticated engineering principles. Take the Banu Rice Terraces, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, which stands as a testament to ancient engineering. Built over 2,000 years ago, these terraces are still in use today, proving the ingenuity of early Filipino engineers. Fast forward to the Spanish colonial period, from 1565 to 1898. The Spanish brought European engineering techniques with them, which led to the construction of fortifications, roads, and bridges to connect the islands. One of the most iconic projects of this era is the construction of the walled city that remains an important part of the Philippines' history and architecture. Next, let's look at the American colonial era, from 1898 to 1946. This period introduced modern civil engineering practices to the Philippines. Under American rule, major public infrastructure projects were built. Roads, bridges, and water supply systems were developed, like the Angat River Dam, which continues to serve the needs of the capital. Engineering education also saw a breakthrough with the founding of the University of the Philippines College of Engineering in 1910, which laid the foundation for the professional development of Filipino civil engineers. After World War II, the Philippines focused on rebuilding its infrastructure. In the 1950s and beyond, major projects like the North Luzon Expressway and the construction of roads, bridges, and ports helped foster economic growth. Public infrastructure continued to grow, with key projects like the La Mesa Dam providing a stable water supply for Metro Manila. Now, let's fast forward to today. The Philippines has embraced modern technologies and sustainable engineering solutions. We've seen impressive growth in the urban landscape, with developments like the Makati skyline and new transportation networks. One of the most groundbreaking projects in recent years is the Metro Manila Subway, the first ever underground railway in the country, set to revolutionize urban transportation. And the North-South Railway project is a key infrastructure development that will connect the country's major cities, boosting economic and social mobility. To ensure the quality of civil engineering in the country, organizations like the Philippine Institute of Civil Engineers and the Professional Regulation Commission play vital roles in the development and recognition of civil engineers. These organizations help maintain high standards and promote continuous professional growth within the civil engineering community. The history of civil engineering in the Philippines is a fascinating journey of innovation, from ancient rice terraces to the modern towering structures we see today. As the country continues to grow, civil engineering will undoubtedly play a crucial role in shaping a brighter, more sustainable future. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more videos on the fascinating history and future of engineering in the Philippines.